Hello guys, today we again back with our pattern series in Gyan portal. So guys, please must subscribe this channel for more such amazing videos. Or today, as you see, we discuss about the three pattern problems, and it's amazing guys, because this problem is about pyramid. How we print a pyramid like this, as you see in the question 7. First of all, we talk about the question 7. So I increase our size of the window, like yes. So like as you see, as a question 7, as you see key, first of all think about yourself ki what are the, as you see, the basic steps of the in doing patterns is about count the outer, count the rows, count the columns, and what about the inner loop going on, how our pattern is printed. That's the major three things we have to think about it. So first we consider that, like as you see, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6, like there is 6 rows, and as you see in first row there is a 1 star. There is a, like, how much spaces? 1 2 3 4 5, then star, then 1 2 3 4 5. So like as you see, there is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 1 2 3 4 5. Like as you see, there is a 5 star here and 5 star here, and then our and there is a 1 star. So as I see, there is a space, there is a space, then a star, and then a space again. So if I say we have if I traverse row wise, like if I considered as a row wise, and I take a simpler version, I take only this. I say 1 2 3 4 5 rows, and if I say as a zero indexing, I considered it as a 0. If I say there is a 0, then how much rows, how much stars are there? Wait a minute, how much stars are there? 1 2 3 4. It means 4 spaces are there, then 1 star, and then again 4 spaces. If I say about 1 now, 1 2 3, तो लाइक 1 कम हो गया हमारा, तो ये हमारा हो गया 3, and space stars are going to 3, and the spaces are again 3. Then if I say for 2, then space is going to 2, star, but star going to 5, and space is going to 2. If I say about next row 1, then it's 7, then it's 1, and if I say about 4, then 0, then it's 9, then it's again 0. So as you see, for spaces there is a, as you see, there is a spaces, and for spaces we have like 4 3 2 1. We already do some like some this question. Yes, absolutely. So if I say for spaces, we are nothing, we are just going to do what? We are just going to do, like we have only, we have only n, and we have say n minus I minus 1. For stars, if I say 2 into I plus 1, and for this again there is a little mathematics, like not much about. If you build and if you start building logic about these patterns, you understand it guys. So just came to the coding part, and for coding part I just say main int, and I make a int n, cn in, and print, and it's a print 7, and we make a print function print 7 int n, and in this I say first we make a basic loop of n. Next we say there is a space, there is a star, and there is again space. So for space I say there is a j loop which is going from 0 and goes till n minus I minus 1 and j plus plus, and we just do nothing, we just print a space. Then it's about star j equals to 0 j, and now we do 2 into I plus 1, like this we work it, and j plus plus, and in that thing I say we have to print star, and at last we again do the same. And after this all I say cout and next line. So let's run this code, and I give up 5. Okay, just a little bit, if I not give this space, then check it. Yes, it's correctly printed as you see. 3 5 6 9. ठीक है, तो next question we goes to like this. It is a similar type question but in a reverse order. As you see, it is now in reverse order. So like I'm making it again, so I just copy paste for this, and I say कि in the first row there is a 0 1 2 3 4, like it is in a same order, it is in our same order as you see, there is in same order. But for stars, if I say it is 9, then 7, then it's 5, then it's 3, then it's 1. So if I say like it is in similar order, first of all it is in similar order, so for the similar order we have to do nothing, it is in same order, so I just have to print it in a same way. For a I, for same I have to print like this, but for this and similar like this. Now it's like about how I printed in this. What should we do to print here? If I think 9 and then 7, there is a basic n value, and if for that n value I say just 2 into 0 plus 1. So 2 into 0 plus 1, if I say like it's 1, and if it's 1 I say we have 9, so I take like this. Yes, it's working. As you see, this working. So just we not do anything, we just make a print 8 function, and we just copy paste and in that copy paste I say 8, and for this j I say we for the spaces, so I equalize it for the spaces. And now it's time to start, and for a star I say 2 into n minus 1. Okay, now just print it and see the results. What happened? Okay, wait a second. Save it, print it. What is the problem? Like oh no, it's 7, it's 8. As you see, our pattern is correctly printed. Yes guys, just one more test case to run. Yes, it's correct. Now it's time to go our last problem, which is just a diamond problem. And as you see, our diamond is how is it's created. If I see how a diamond is created, if I make a partition and I just say divided, then it's a above half, which I already done, and it's a lower half, which we already done it. So we have going to merge both two. So just nothing, I say we have just printed print 7 n. Okay, just there is a space, there is a little bit space wearing. Why so? Why space is there? Like as you see, they are slightly here. And if I say in starting line there is a no space, so I say it's not run, it's not running. Now it's yes, it's a correct diamond shape as you see. So sometimes there is not required to make a one pattern. We have divided our patterns in blocks and then we make it. So I hope you like this video, you understand this video and the concept. So must subscribe this channel and मिलते हैं फिर से दोस्तों.